If you want to save money on your electric bill, light bulbs are the first things that you must consider. A lot of times when we buy light bulbs, we just factor in what the light bulb costs and not the overall cost at the lifespan of the bulb, the wattage, the energy usage. So today, I'm going to ask, is buying a LCD light bulb worth the money? So let's see how much you can save by having an LED light bulb. At the house, one of my light bulbs went out, so I'm over here at the Home Depot to go buy a new light bulb for my fan. At first, I had a CFL light bulb, but today I'm going to go on and replace those CFL light bulbs with an LED. And we're going to talk about the benefits of going with LED versus a CFL fluorescent light bulb. All right, so I'm over here at the light bulbs, and as you can see, we're looking for a fan light bulb because my light went out at the house. This is the EcoSmart CFL light bulb. Again, each bulb cost is $3.99, 75 watt replacement. And this one right here, this CFL, that it uses 19 watts of energy. All right, so this right here is the LED EcoSmart 75 watt replacement. And right here it is $3.93 per light bulb. So we're about to do a side-by-side comparison. If you look at your screen, the left side is your CFL light, the right side is your LED light. The energy cost per 3 hours yearly for the CFL light is $2.29, whereas the LED light is $1.56. So by switching to the LED light, you will save already in the energy cost 73 cents per year. That's only if you would burn that one light bulb for 3 hours a day. The CFL light uses 19 watts of energy, whereas the LED light uses 13 watts of energy. And most importantly, the CFL, if you can look on the bottom, it contains mercury. Mercury is dangerous. Mercury is poisonous, where the LED light does not contain mercury. The choice is very clear that the LED light saves energy and money. Just took out my CFL light bulb and going to replace it with my new LED light bulb. All right, have my EcoSmart LED light bulb, and we're just going to plug it right on in here in this fan. This is the one that went out, and wada bam. So it's so important that when you go to the store and you decide to buy your light bulbs, just don't look at the initial cost, but look at what you're saving over time. You may even pay a few pennies more at the store, but the savings over the lifetime of the bulb is where you would really save. So the question is it worth the savings to switch to LED lights? This home, I purchased this particular home about 3 years ago. And when I first moved into this home, it was all ready to go, move-in ready, but it had CFL lights. It was in the fall time, so I didn't run my HVAC system. However, from the CFL lights to the LED, I honestly had a savings of 15% in the first month by switching to the LED lights. So I'm not going to say if it's worth it or not for you, but to me, it was totally worth the switch. I just want to thank everyone for tuning in today. Please do 3 things for me. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and please share this video with those who you believe that would benefit from this content. Until next time, remember that being frugal is never being cheap, it's being resourceful. Have a great day.